From purchasing to ownership and operations and maintenance to end of life, Cox Automotive Mobility provides fleet owners with full lifecycle management.
Cox Automotive Mobility is working hard. The strategy is to be able to provide a fleet owner with the full lifecycle management of their asset, from purchasing, ownership to end of life. We use our network with our trailer dealerships at Trudell to help folks purchase or lean on our larger company, Cox Automotive, in that space. Throughout ownership, we're managing maintenance services, either A, with our own technicians, B, through our fleet net relationship, where they're managing over the road breakdown services. We also have our own EMS technicians on the road, as well as helping fleet managers deal with operations that are where they have less density and a technician may not be there in that area. We'll take care of that through vended support. And then to end the life, we'll help recycle. We're very excited about utilizing our skills when it comes to EV batteries and our Spears new technology team, and doing that end of life recycle of those pieces of equipment, those batteries.